Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man.
Now, racial discrimination, yan ang isa sa mga main issue ng social justice. Why it is wrong to discriminate against others on the basis of racial difference, color of the skin, black, mga Asian, and even as Filipino are sometimes racist. Hindi natin napapansin. So the Bible provides no basis for favoring or discriminating against any group of people on the basis of their background, but rather view all human beings as worthy of honor and respect because all are alike, are made in the image of God. So yun po yung foundation na we should not discriminate como taga ganitong probinsya, ang tingin na natin ay napakababa, or como itim siya, the usual thing na nangyari, dark skin siya, ang tingin na natin ay mga walang sinabi, which is not true. Because we judge based on color of the skin, yun nga yung racial difference, or even yung social standing, we become nagdi-discriminate tayo. So ang foundation ng social sa racial natin is all human beings are created in the image of God. So God created man in his own image, in the image of God he created male and female, and he created them. So lahat ng nilalang na tao ay create ni God ayon sa kanyang hugis. Male and female, he created them. Nota, male and female lang. So the sons of Noah went forth from the ark were Shem, Ham, and Japheth. So ito yung racial colors, mga anak ni God, anak ni Noah, through Noah. Shem, si Ham is black, si Japheth is white complexion, si Shem is a special na ng mga taga Middle East, which is lahi ng mga Arabs at lahi ng mga Israelites. But they are all sons and daughters of God. At hindi lang yun, nagkaanak pa si Adam and Eve si Adam and Eve and even Noah na ibang colors. So the point there is they are all created equally. So since all human beings are descendants from Adam and Eve, and since they are all in the image of God, scriptures ruled out any ideas of racial superiority or inferiority in God's sight. Dapat pantay-pantay. So the Bible, New Testament, instructed us to treat all human beings with respect. So, sabi ni Paul sa Titus, to speak evil of no one, to avoid quarreling, to be gentle, and to show perfect courtesy toward all people. Magpakita ng galang sa bawat nilalang, sa bawat tao. Yun ay instruction sa atin ni God bilang Kristiyano. Again, even si James, sabi niya sa chapter 2, verse 1, my brothers, show no partiality as you hold the faith in our Lord Jesus Christ, the Lord of glory. Show no partiality. Don't take sides. Always treat everyone equally. Kaya mahirap siya o mayaman, kung black or white or yellow or Asian.
Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man, naroroong tunay kaalamang makalangit.